only nomenclature the Professors Green Sports, the original Wallace, and a messing kunya ekwana quantum coding some ordering saka, and then you may so Ghana good him bro. You're on show from now till 9, 37 minutes after the hour of 7. Shannon Sumam say more Takwa Major Quachan Poly production. Philip 2 AK-47 the gunshot man, and I feel writer Amenyo Bernard Paddy Bouquet, and I feel all the wonderful members of the crew now, and the Omosaton Sanya so touch Rabua, and Medicine Shelson Queen Etejao. Brain fee gifty and tired in terms of social media, Mami, and I'll call Facebook at Asempa 94.7 FM. Obonsi da so kama and share kosu nano obetian sanhwe ne Facebook TV so na nyama etian kwedi ama wi a dwumadi ne bebobo e de akoda YouTube say kama na afa wanya dwumadi edi wa ha no eho abakosem ye kan ni chire hwesa ne ma esi akoso ne enkomo no edoso CI is already seated in the coast studio na afen so obema the youngest researcher in town Michael Okan no so translator nyame adoma Seidu Adamu enso abeken ho na afen koma wodo etian san PP no ye de ejaw channel so mam special competition of the normalization committee no nyame adoma omse weekendi and they are canceling 18 times so referee say betian sanjinem ene sena nema Asia koso no ase wo mu egu so ehwe nim so betian tutu nema ye but nkomo ne nam from mu chese normalization committee sika mu se moje ya che besi sabre no wo mu entwin chase kan ema clubs no santin komo chefa na clubs no de na mu de kwakoball league no na se de na mu ebetimi de sesium ho na afi kwa no obi a oball league memeda na besi sabre unya first kan man ya de asem kra ni normalization committee sika ase ne twen ayamodene kakra e wo sena nema ACL koso no de asem kra ni enye usika aban sika udi ani ma chekeke no eno so problema abani nyame adom eno so komo betian sa abani ehusena nema esieko new Adibiase football club for nei uhesena Messi kosoma na tankonya wo new Adibiase na fempen fawdo no ye MPs ne ko fawdo wo new Adibiase na nei wo mo eden saton sayem kotodwe esifem ede chopa ba se wo sre Uru Abdul Salam Jakubu new Adibiase president se fisa abreko no wo mo ebesre ne senko betian boa ama league netin asa kosoma new Adibiase for enyom chefa enkebe wo de pa we ene hyehyɛ no so 18 sato fam na odwumadi a wo mo egusu edimo nyame adoma ye bekom na afia hwese na nema esi koso football for de chopa ekodan new Adibiase na ye ka football league dia na akoyesa akonya ne nan ye makomako bes nan uyi ba kofima ya na ejina ho a ebetia ejina de ba obon se hodwo enti obi obeka se new Adibiase fom asem kode na bia na nipa no won hyeda nim football mu onti football asebapa se wo mutimi ebeginam na omobo ma ne matie kwanya sa ese nya replacement ho no nya sa we format na ye de ebona obon se ebe sugar e wasana nema ezi ekono 40 minutes after the hour of 7 konso komono doso ye de bebrew na mo betia send me WhatsApp comment e de aba me personal line so 0244483290 0244483290 na o de wadwenkyere etia sa ba enkomo edi wa ha no eno ne ye besusu se e ya o de wadwenkyere ne ba emfa san komo no contributions e betia sa boa na abe ade up to ne ka wa ha no na se betia sa boa na ne ba bi kra se emfa adwene ko no onso de wa attention betia saba na ye de akoso na bo ma nema etuansa akoye enye sa de a na hwese ne Mexico so caveat ne se line no me am personal line tino ne me pe no metimi aye e wo line so nti nyame adoma ye be hwese na hye ne besi akọ e hanom nyamom hye ne so bio e fama me se okeka wani kire ma e hwese na nema esitie e wo Ghana asisi ade a na se adwumako ba time ba ko pe Airtel Tigo big time data bundle and ye de it's nice to know some essential things don't expire and nti ye kan for san share so kondi ama like this on set make Airtel sugar Tigo dia e betua saboa na mesrew oni salt sugar bomodi ada so on sabetia kan Airtel Tigo eno any data bundle betua saboa etiwa febo o dial star 11 hash star 11 hash na for enjoy data no na boa manema etua sakwe data that does not expire on Airtel Tigo and the san share so queen 8 samantene zemeja data neto say no one said dem ani na ebogum say kama edemai Asempa FM work with the stars you median ebeba so ememeda 6th of April 2019 habe the day me saw the forecourt of Asempa FM kukumimri fan of first street ha and the search media kesen epim so on the 6th of April 2019 5:30 am say gano na manfo abedwa near the san share so connect yan sapim so keep fit clubs akwa hodo no supporters groups no corporate organizations and afia Asempa FM ko fawdo e ba nyasem ketwa stars no so e ba nyasem ketwa kra yaga sanso ye ginam ni aboa massage medi kese etia sankoye excitement ne fa no ebe gbugbu ene tibra bi na beta chire boa man sanche so kwentien koye yan tie se adorable ladies with Mavis amano wo baby na afi so kwa particle surgeon country man songo Joy Sports for baby alligator sports Q no ba na afi Adum News SQ no ba na afi bedwam so ekosi sen ene nkone aba omuna ebo nchinku na afi nyina nante ato basa komo adidi ye ho komo na ye nante no ne atin fifire bra ne ne de yi ade ene o ha no de afifire trim na ne be ni campaign se nyame adoma ye the health screening betua happen so first 100 people are we be do an ombenya kwenya na afi efiri mogya muntasum onfifiri na afi yade bi atitu bia no ya pe ne puma sibre e dia ma mesre wa friend e wo 0540106467 0540106467 0540106467 na phone pemfu ntwendin sa so register yenyi tekusimpo na seka prebampo sponsor set chiri fido money lending na madama ya instant loan na afi yenyi collateral bia yenyi bia ngofa bia mfa besia wansa na diskana ma no guarantor fido money lending yan so be call play app no so na afi watimi a download fido money lending FML na no pemfu ntwendin sa so my bet.africa say a home of betting you can bet in party if you de wo hia nkwala na so mo bet atim sampa man panyifo no ya ka chire kakra wase trem nyina nchi bia ye de ho bagi betim na afi ahwe odo ayo ma agudie nti anani ye de ho eba begim na afi obama give us ice mineral water nso na de say wonuma emabo etimesa to na afi so kwa explode energy drink ba kwa tim sampa nnuane nu ewom no boa ma hoden ema unya nkenya sonko e owidinim na afi afrisco cube wom so etachire pa na afa donko bites for enso de sampa pa tiansa ba saka donko bites bia bobobi nana benyin eye heba wom se aresa penyi eni erade bomodi ada so ne nana penyi heba for enso betia din sa so abenso e de the original abenso ne tiansa ba wo sache timu oti anu anso amia ne se twi uwie penade sache na hye obotum asa wonya hwe e abenso ensa na meka fudi ama setimi ke bia eno so betia boa Grace Homeopathic Clinic me patcho the leading homeopathic clinic in Ghana homeopathy dia na so mo anede eye nkania ne ho nkoniaba esa yade ne boa ma niema etio kwedi mafo ni chire mo niema natural healing with Grace Homeopathic Clinic mo adama yade bia titi bia kopie mo makacha yebehwe aboa ema niema etio kwedi ma wemu ana etechire aboa emede sports night medicine etio sejaw mensa ebre yenko bright yeboa tela ho na afi yehwe asantema magudiem ensam kekan koma papa yi ewo man enwumre Asempa Ghana yesi ake ube anche yevani enchire mahoma no so bright yebo atela BYT e mahoma no so BYT yemo adwo obrini yenkwe
ya walas mejo so pa yi pa na obetemu asantemantam na se nsam bobo pa e asantemantam anya asem koto akra na ni nyina ne se be sha se e free adanse mpotam na adanse na se obuase Ashanti Gold esi ameka so omugu ahoboa so ya usese se kwambia so normalization special cap aye babebe wo mu betimi a compete na group a wo mu wom na kotoko wom na team and team de adua na stars mu nyina wom no ye group a emu odin event wo mo campa o mo hwese bibia bekwe na dance wona no na team baako eno adi ahimpa e wo Ghana ha ye pen a bo premier from 2007 no mo qualify ba e 28 I'm qualified the Uramudu. Siaka ba Africa crowd because I'm GFA Cup 2012. 18 then you can watch me. New at the BRC United Omo. And we have smart we could do. Secondly, as Africa. Omusego Amaka to do Omusego. Almost young Kwankwa na new at the BRC young Kwankwa. And a better just Omutu training the team Yana their bank roller. The founder, the owner of new at the BRC club and I'm doing. Abdul Salam Yakubu do not have Sabato everybody two guys I say league and ebo and can penifo shegu bro because you can continue now there's more 10 points 10 points now another more only 10 points behind team of that second and you have 10 points now na kuto amna nanka bibia nti ho kwan so omo ni wa de biase team no I want to yem mo league na yesiegu abobufo fra I want you to be from say go asema baby entimi moa emien twaso moligi no eni ade ba nanka ga akrokro bi nanka de akoko me nso o man tehe mpanifo ebu o man so mulia ana tete tintre ta ye bo bibi from without say o mu ka bibi dia che o mu ana o mu osusu ye say anka de bia so ye time anka kon bia so no won betimi qualify ba bo Premier League ni biem baka o mu timi we call relegation ti nya dia o mbaba tournament le da eni players o mu ye kan since I say league say last year January I ball matches ball 15 games 18 12 I go to lose one now say ko bibie ko de ball mo na ke tia kra bo so me enya dia players na gibi da na players no ko nini na ekoko ba se winning bonus de na mpanifo timi twia kama e ma winning bonus nsensem pa de bibia se pia bia ka sane de ne ka wo boada okwa we a you say ye ma 1.2 we say home 100 Ghana cedi away 120 Ghana na de ma boys na kwenye pa de mo munya 4 points aneke uka kuritia na bia 1002 bi de beko eye players no botom kakra ho bata ketua ho again ade ama players ti ebetia enti akoba se ball no so papa no say o ma eno so betima ha dinti players no so ball anan eye meeting efre eye Steven Manu former Kotoko striker former Bia United striker former Kentampo eye United Saparo striker Steven Manu ebra o de who experience who start coaching staff no wa you bo na coach no na fera mimo na de tiam sa mun ko ka bibi kakra empanta papa Abdul Salam Sabato se so so mpanimfo anka yanche na match na sa tournament e ba no enya de obesi aka ya de kom din ya betina tie ene ye nko camp kwa na mi ya da na so we ne emre na ya so me he betina ba na mpanimfo se muntai na me ba be sia captain na mi sia captain na so ma ka chen se enya de tournament ne ye bebo enti captain say waba na so kwa kosia panyini ne dia ene de tem so kwa fatuna dum ti aye ready na kom so dinyen ne ye febo ni bi so abo ne nya contract ya yetini akọ enti tiade kokati papa say ye bebo eno ana na Steven Manu bi ekosia bank roller Abdul Salam Yakubu aka Sabato eno mu di anoba ba na Sabato try so be convince player din enso ade aye Steven Manu bi na o convince na to the sense Steven Manu ji tuntampa papa na bre na we a system a ye de bad de ni kwa so tena e ma ne ekoye nti woni papa na ya agene eno ene Steven Manu mu eso etin ko kokko boy na Steven Manu ne ana o so onu to sia players no na after training anopa yi na nko no so bo mama ne se papa ne se nya de e be bo nti me so ka kire na asa mi hu ta so point owo eye buo bi o ne na tisu ye nti ye nya ne nya agene na eye ntewo kakra papa ndi ate ho ama me ne se aside ka ye nu ade bia CPS ye mo players mutia from bia so ye be bo international friendly games ye pe ba bo top matches abro ni be ka category A games no be bo ama ye nyina ye ti na keep shape na the new season in 2042 ye ma we na ka se a ye de bia se ti na compete na fe ye form ani ekuta na ye nya ade qualify na ye gusu abodo busu die be tieka atase be tieka no premier match bia ba wini bia so o winning bonus a ye be je ne se de ebo Premier League ye na eno any meet na di bia se bank roller ne captain and din anso so de aye Steven Manu bi anso kokko ye ya Steven Manu players ne de tu amani ma na kai ye de ya ntiafe da na ye bompo adekum wo tiafe mpo ana ye friend saman nam campus wo akoda nsamampo mti kwam bia so wo hwe de na ekọ ne ebo league kwa ne nya ketia bibia njaze yani match pass na so de papa ibe tieska bia ama yenti eno nkoto sre ye sra pa ko kacha wa pa se we die eno nfe card man na ye bi se nfe card man na me de manya team bi kwam ko bo ebi se na on ko nim se a nka ko kanda da me register ye kaza me ye benya team bi abo cap yi eni ade no ana asam na tra na fe so eye DP presidential hopeful ani di enso de George 3 years so tonkra efa attentive efre papa ndi ade Abdul Salam se papa ye di enkoto sre pa misro pa ni boys no enyina nka mom se the boys ne person mo bono na nka mpese match a to so mo bono mu nyina mo twatwa ade na fe bibia mo fam senche na nka mo enti eye George 3 years so convince papa na mo bon triku na nuati ana aya wahina wa bibia se ne mpatamo adansefo hina so asa bomta dabi wo hwe bibia so amso ba mpuntu abapa na ze kura no wo hwe bibia se ne mmode ma obo na amadia ba ho yie pa bibia so mpatamo enti ani amso so na monu bibia so so ma bibia se agidia ma nkampese stadium kwa ba de sidi e dia mo bibia se maya e kwan bia so amso be ka bibia se papa no ti papa no pressure se si e ba no so no mfiri baby keke yeti ahintie ana no so atuma sa atwa na papa no jese ebi enkosi tian wa ya convince mo de laptop be kwa koma for me normalization committee for no say kondia so ma de pene so mo be bonti die fura aya asantomantem ba fa ni adi ya so ho enso na mahie enso so adi agu no na opiem awa kotoko na wu sane a ba kumase a na tie tia dance obu ase aba adubia ase be kwai aya traba ko ya kotoko ko na ni ya na tie say ni nampramem ena na bi kepa be ko ena player ni team and so at the Frederick Blacken Beko, Abrantia, your friend say a year near J. Daniel Beko, Abrantia, honestly, and so the Oberuan Pobeko, Mantia Kukuda Muntari Tobu, and so Beko, that's a 6th place, and Omudibe Toja. Nanu, and Yaja, can you say, and the call your 3 place, me now, I'm saying, Master Card, Mumma Majina, the 4 months salary, Munu Kobi, not a moon petum, Namukobo, Nakotoko, the Animation Quantara Pai. Nani at the end of the training grass, we answer, yes, no more, a Casa, and not will be our buyer. The check of the convention of Casana, Brantian D, and so at the Muntari Tego, goalkeeper. The we answer about training grounds and cut yourself out as a Muntari Tego, 24% or more consider Brantiano. No more shadow normalization cap, we now to almost twice as I say, the diabetes Makoya, no more Brantian, and force, and then a force, because we play a big goalkeeper, big self, Samaya. All that black stars in Yadia, who never that. And a fellow, I'm also on the form one picking and Yadia with my team. I'm about to know, sir, Kwame, the lad, Ibrahim Yano. And I guess I Yadia than to more consider Branches. The way fellow, I'm black stars call up in Yadia, I know a few Mako. Into their goalkeeper, be almost a bit master Yanity. And I don't tell you could train or Mama Cano. And now I'm training grounds for. If you near German, young who for the watching, young who bedroom sample, young who navigator. And so our training grounds were Omunano and TMP Anna Abbas Mohammed or striker, former youth striker, former striker, the Mediama, South striker, and now they say to me, Ehuno, as so training grounds. After Timo Kotoko, Muswa, striker the D as so at the year, Sonne Yakuba out through Burkina could do holidays. Oh, the crewman, Abrantana turn it down. Our ban and catch him and the manager. I say, Combiasono and yeah, to know. Any Branton Kabum, boy, no form. Now I got a league links and some now. And Ghana Branton form, we could have met Matak of an Dima, of a social account with European League Liminatiaka. Into a more consider names and company product class here. Not offer Biaba, Nefri, a year Europa, Comunia, Nanka, Sonny Yakubanko, Netica won't be able to confront Norman Fan to put to play to be no better than the Brosa, and sweat match and now Yakuba means here. Say, yeah, that's a football 26 years. When you're working on you, the football be air cut 26 years. So that's why I say, I'm Branton in the Macquarie. Now, every man a Bob or Osha Brofonosa, or more tower, or Muko be a mutual name, Robert at 27-8. Nanka Sonny Akubatina qualify Nankotina at what European League, Nanka Kakusia, and Janos on the par, Yakuba Koy and one in the agent at Makobo, Nene, a year team, Udivaka and the manager, and Sweating Yaba. Omo pese omo ne kotokotetre na nkomo twese kotokote betime mia ponumuye said be ya obi ba omo so betime agivu up sa branch ne nkonko tia kan na sika bi ewo bia kotokoso timi e de aboabo omo tim no eno so ne bi efiri kwa bia kuma ase asante kotoko ba ne adi ye kwa better more asante region ase asante region school and college athletics competition no super zone ase de koso sanso na Marcos Sedica omo so pretty lady diaper Omojabe mani abiade obia etini ajo matumu anei or school for nyina wo dormant ni ade no ana omu yusu no wo mo so support bi a na imagine say ka mu nyina ka hu bia ye de athletics competition no ba na wie ye bet na esase ama super zone as 5 zones each zone bia schools be to over 20 be 20 be 31 be 30 zones near 5 ama compete ya am the school na zone bia no boys division first to a year 6 months qualify super zone. It is not said Islamic senior high school member qualify. No member na the one idea Adventist member qualify no member qualify. A fan or qualify 5 zones. You have 45 different schools or more compete a year events. I hope you are Barcelona and then they one at my trouble. Now share the real sequel. Not here, Media Masobia better 1 year to me. Or much 14 super zonas from 1988 to 1997. Now 10 consecutive times, 2009 to date. I'm not giving our Dumadim. As a video for the more man from a man so a division and other category. So, one so 8 times out of 10 consecutive years. One so as you are competing now, a year out of 10 now, 208, and you can do that year, 2000 and a year 15 and I went to Reggae, Kumasu Wesley Jess, Abadia, and last edition, last year, 2018, so KG, Kumasu Jess, Abaji from them. Nano aya din yama kumase just ni Perege ni Louis. Nano Louis for the second, but I'm not being there at 10 points. My phobia man person musa bedo ma de omo title no. Nane out of 11 years, or my jimu aya makuna konkono 9. Now bam epiem enso so ewa mema na fam so a. Omo no obi entu omo. After so what in 2008 no. Imagine from 2009 to 2018. Now, the more did the amount of college. So the last time I did 2006 and 2002 now, I'm maybe 206. Now, the money be beer now. Prempa open governor 7 points at Tina. Some for the young and 10 year a year ruling another 10 year. What job was on hard James now? Will be to be making 1 year no more actually a lose dominance now. And our hope for boys division unity. The Primu answer Urban on the say, Practically, the American, as I say, I just say, on the minimum fire match since 2011. And I'm a year federation, school federation, at my year, Juma Tram on website in Yadia. Now, a year teachers, almost confidential, because Asempa. It's not also a movie, the Anna, finalize your points, but point governor. And I'm immediately a manager, Pierre, maybe a Christian to Louis 10 points, but a man of them practically do almost 7 points different. I made the person to purchase in our crown. So I'm a phobia and what Pierre, maybe a SHS. Omcrabbit must have a sound with Japan, Jata Pramso, Omu had the Ethiopia, yet day of Pokuara, and to see the Ethiopia, and my phobia has a 10 points, 4 by 100 me, 400 meters in Yadina. Omo strong one mo betini bia betam na 7 points o mate tini na no matma so betini asa meki say on break record and o matini agene sa na be 10 about 11 consecutive time without break no on betini ayele santi wala wo be pie mu asante mantam asai niema we ana editia etiefo ebehia aye bia tuja ewo udumadi so wale.
Okay, bright ye boy tell e be do ase nwumre nyame adoma ye be sabo akachi biu e da ase pa nwumre
ma te pa but studio so otio pa
okay
otio pa e wo US answer na yima on so US and na so Alan Studio on so Germany on so etio pa answer na Prima so Hansen ene eye obedo refu be dankwa esu tie answer na me spiritual father Mr. Joe eye Patrick Betty awo set up international eye Kema. So, one wakasa.
Na dedication we now na no efre wa mai.
Oh. Vampire so come up we bruta.
Okay.
Patrick Jobert Apostle. Nyamishira pa.
Okay. Iti yebeza kasa. Why?
Wale.
Hey, right here what tell.
Wale.
BYT on the dot.
Champion director general.
Okay. Iti BYT so that den komo ebija no. Asempa kan egu Ghana agudie normalization committee me no e ka say no omu zo omu kwadwa na so omu kwata beti sabre they cannot tell exactly what they want to do. Omusu na musa na ne abakra ne say normalization committee na start another committee biu. It is say omu experts informing committees. Ne omu sande ba kwa san behwim. Omu hwe nim say yebetimi edi san hye sonko so. Na report e ba ne che say Samuel Segufo omu appointed as the newly appointed member of the NC special competition. Na ohwese na nema ebesi akwa ene inkrade che say omu share omu discuss procedure any format between ahwede aboama organization of the GFA normalization special competition no etimi are successful na ekomu no Samuel Segufo na chairman Dr. Patrick Ofori nso abepiem ho ana afi ora kudofia no gaka welfare body no bisi sabre on hwede the welfare of the clubs near but interested in taking positions ana afi Kofi Opoku Kofi ewienzo no so ekwohye mu bi ana afi Linda Ashon so ho ana afi Augustine Ahemfo wo mu na akopiem e sa committee so a ye hwe adwuma ba be bisi sabre ntimi hu say ye flat rate at all venues Premier League nim and now say pricing very important it me hu basically clubs na kwakosi aka no san ka musika e nyame adoma Saturday and Sunday na yebo matches no na clubs na san ka musika then somebody sit there to ask that we should support defense and normalization committee for what? For what? Main actors in the clubs no mukokusia can be sabri. One san can't kusimpo na capre bampus can trainer acquired their mom or sending Mexico and sad. Yami Aduma, Yaboko de China Fair Cinema Asiaco, I want to shout and also 18 PM. But Menqua Manaso na any Samuel Quadirinchi, multimedia, Nana Quadi, our Manaso and then more briefly. And hence shares on Coca no setting about Stanbic Bank Visa Afcon program no ba ko ade ba ko betua san akoso ye pa ha we media launch of the Visa Afcon customer campaign 2019 and a Stanbic Bank for Edima Kote chama yamwajo
mejo so bilia na eche fo nyina
okay we de wadama ye de wa ha anaja unso nka tama wo de ji wa hominie ana yabebo opum bo mu se na nema si ko de ma Visa Afcon customer campaign 2019 Stanbic for akofa bay
yo kwasi bilasi na eche for some ding aka one say Afcon June to July this year Egypt na ye ka Stanbic Bank dia na omu ye bank Jumkobia omudi akoten wo football mu omu jitu say Ghana had a football passion of the nation. Okay 2008 ebe nyina Stanbic edi akotene special stance for omu fans and also omu clients omu eba park tickets ahodo ni ade na yakoba de say impanyi wo Stanbic bojuma die bi hu dero ne omopa huntuma sana na wokano Stanbic Visa Afcon Customer Campaign 2019 Stanbic Visa Afcon Customer Campaign 2019 na jumadi ni Stanbic mpanyi kan say omo ebde omo special clients omo niom ho agrokra no nipa insia ebeko Afcon 2019 no na panya omofa so a selected nipa ebetimi akono se menewo a obia wo Stanbic Visa card no wo swipe so the ATM wo the mobile banking program bia ananse omo product bia usu Stanbic Visa card no ubenya akwanya dodo impendodo a wo use card no ma wo akwanya se obeka nipa ebeko Afcon 2019 Egypt omo be fa ho kanyina nipa ni bi zo mbe ma omo hospitality card na na Stanbic yes hospitality camp bia entertainment then just any den na unim say Egypt for omo hosti that tournament ya fi no sonko say Egypt ya ka soccer infrastructure papa uduwa eswani enso kachre afomo special heritage sites attractions tourism site bebre just that match in hona Stanbic for the what now mo kemu say omo de wo ekuchi krum Egypt krum no bonzo wani beje pa afi fans ne de ni say afi ya expanding countries no number of countries dijuma no into more games which means more excitement into kwesi ni akoba ne say Stanbic for say ni omo yeni edi nipa unse say bobo Africa o world o aya nkola bi edi players no so nkola bi inside the mobile park me tell say Stanbic and the what the right so bobe be pen nkola ebeko intino and also no o parent e bia obenya no obetimi anya akwanya say oba nso benya opportunity bi na Stanbic asa bom ho ka na amodema ko Egypt na oba na koso say asemoja no person o kachire no nya akwanya na coach kwasi apia so nim edine ka ho no man bobi dia nya so ne nsa say the day you are na akola okura na no say experience no ekura ma akola no te say oda ona enya de asemwa eno echi no na Stanbic ka say ekomu ade so when you think media think multimedia you know omo si multimedia mra na enfe ntoma mom na ye started tournament no kra wo Ghana ansa na Afcon na nkasa abaso in June in Egypt you know multimedia sports teams no ye organize special 5-a-side tournament ama Stanbic for to to help promote this campaign. I'm a Nigerian call. IS Cocoa. And the teams no 16. Criteria no ebe daddy. They are power nipa. They kind stand before Kasabe DB. Maybe a multimedia. Say just special captain and technical director. Because you are wala. So be utin beba. Now say adofone community clients no more standing card na visa card now person see akan bi so no. Akwanya be ho no wa be ka team no ho. And 3 weekends. Kosisa umbeye draw. Various draw cards no and account numbers now it cross visa cards no I select your mom do call Egypt no sada no the final draw day no the final of the special Stanbic 5-a-side tournament now multimedia na organize ama Stanbic for no ama no so aba so in the media means same bebre no a special AFCON promotional Stanbic normally Stanbic visa card users no akọ Egypt for the 2019 AFCON in June. No, you may be bebre eka ho a ebema special amafo benya akade bebre afi Stanbic for her kwezi.
Okay, it's nice. I bet me I Stanbic for a customer and I almost client, but so when visa card nibia sa card ye want me found him.
Sana akoye.
Okay.
Between now and June and catchri, ubetimi akwa visa card nibi. Now I started the so Stanbic banking and human na akoba no bema akwanya am wetimi awini a chance also the beko Egypt nibi. The more you swipe, the more your chances of winning.
Okay, intini pa do say e de benya kwanya na omone akọ Egypt no. Say dey ase na ho de ntino.
Say na akoye no. Hono men ka ho hwe na nipa do nsia, nipa nsia ana Stanbic e de ombeko. No other activity or how the number may be back on by the swap cards, visa cards, they did you must depends here.
Okay, it is Stanbic any multimedia to very precise Asempa FM4 and this answer also the eba say baby Timia Boa, Yenya say pension, no mako PMO AFCON 2019 I say.
Kwame bi so go betimi aka de saa na multimedia dwumadi a ye di kese ne se yebo dwumadi ehu daru na say ya special tournament no 5-a-side pseudo AFCON tournament no ama excitement and I say nije sonko a wo football mu no ya boy tournament wa ansa na omo mbese nya akwanya through swiping the visa cards no so no etimi awini akọ Egypt.
Okay. Chama we dey say so akasa cry fine because say anyi permission fan kate wa na bia chena we ye di ntino. Chama. Enti ye be si anyame adoma o chano pa na yasan to de rubo ne so. Why? Okay. Yenso ye da se pa. Ntino ni aba no na say Stanbic Visa AFCON Customer Campaign 2019. We ne hye no so atuansa ba Samuel Kwadede Renchi multimedia sports director ba ko pe Media Stanbic and multimedia and edimu ensa so na ohwe se ne nemasi kwa ye ne buama de rubono etia sa koso nyame adoma nipa makomako besensia ewo Ghana hanyina na benya kwan through Stanbic visa card no na omde akopie mu ewo AFCON akensi na se ye hwe oba bia betane ba ni obedi ni obeda ne bibia ne yanse wo swipe oje card ni bia wo swipe na wo yisika na se wo yisika ho dwedie en Stanbic for AD no na eboa ema chances no etia sa koso high still ASEMP Asempa 94.7 FM so ana waso guso oti besi sabri clubs esom setimi kom sika no wo mo ensa bibi sentimi kan sika ne a je se wo guso horoso a nya de anema etiansa koyi ede amom ba den komo de ba ko a etiansa ba ne se wo he sene nema esie ko a Accra has fofo ma compose ho very well ehwe nim se nyame adoma kwese da ebe no wo mo ede akensi ne bepem so mo Dreams Football Club e wa Accra Sports Stadium na has fofo de entempas no wo ma bo wo mo gate ne ho konia ba nyina bo kama na wo se popular stand and as center line hono wo edge 10 Ghana cedis into ba na okita SK na wabetua kama na warema behwebo hwe bo ache as of folk say omo colors no a beautiful people with beautiful colors na me adoma ho bede ana fe so lower VIP no wo meji 20 Ghana cedis into ba ntempas no 20 Ghana cedis na top pencil 2 pe e de man kola no ko primary school ntino wo ba na okita SK bi wo fan and this time omo nyesa bad ana fe so upper VIP no ye ji 30 Ghana cedis na fe VIP no nipa titiri gyina bia mesrɛ mfra for kodi patri titiri tena bia wo 50 Ghana cedis inside na wafro nu say hey chef me wa ho me na me VIP no wa hu no atwa selfie o keke na wo de aya ba kwese watra popular stance a che mesrɛ season we normalization for no wo tra popular stance hu ko VIP o na obetumi ma bompu ni mpu na afi bibia wo bia no maka ho no mtimi mesrɛ VIP no 50 Ghana cedis utua na afi e mesrɛ ne ma AC cause team a azofofo edura sa kan sie say let your support count enye say bia wo tra fi na be radio ana wa no baga onkohwe match bia da this is the time a okohwe match ni bia ana e be radio na obetia beka bi nti o say o be support ne count we SK akutua o fa na o get na this time won authority kra hwe a o mema krama bia chew kra o get na nti mesrɛ o kwa no wo se na nema ebisi akọ e wo san hyehyɛ no so ebetia san piem no has a folk happy and very delighted say wo mo efa kwanya so na platform so e dey aton sada from supporters na ase nyame adom a wo mba beta o machi kwase da nti rate no 10 Ghana cedis 20 Ghana cedis 30 Ghana cedis and 50 Ghana cedis nti no has of phone kra wo mo e dey aba e wo se na hyehyɛ no AC ekono no yenko amanone tokrum na afi Michael Okan e wo ha wo fa nkomo no emfi tokrum ho emra na enyina ehu ne ewum.
It's time for foreign tidbits. The news from the world, foreign tidbits.
Okay, it's no, mame, enye adwuma ketua BCC a Kofi Poku alewa ane ebone samane fe no ene nkata eda manim ha no HSN nei omate committee a wo ana ebehwe eyese na league no ehon koniaba ebesi akọ ene Kofi enhwe nkomo anu ane ne netia na enu Kofi okay ehwe Kofi emwadwo
wale
hey Kofi enchele ni pass son David o tese enchele ni part o say u post costro eno one net here no see enchele ni post costro I say Ghana man pain that be e da so e ba ko na we fi friends and vice president ko president street Kofi we brutal at Kofi enokwa say ya appoint mo say monye members of a committee a mo na mo behwe na maboma meeting 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 say na todwa na mo na mo committee a meeting san hwaboa e ma procedures format and affairs kwa organization of the special competition no etimi I successful enokwa sa
sanity wale
okay nti when was our committee so
we chairman Same Kufuor and vice Patrick Dr. Kutuo Master Santikutu and Mr. Fianu Lydia Anson Kennedy Boache Ansan Augustine Ahenfo and Mr. Kufuor and I secretary Sena and I think one Evelyn B but on no way to me amba.
Okay, Evelyn Siansa na.
Siansa yeah. Okay. Yeah. Evelyn Siansa yeah.
Okay. You mujuma de be de pa because as my appointment na ba late weekend yi and e bo ASR competition so.
And yeah fire say yeah na yeah organize a committee no do yeah ko any aye bibia to in terms of what do you call fixtures need but ours is just to make sure say Nkata team their mind as to how to manage the competition and run it and make sure say it becomes a success. Those are my fans say main reasons why we call committee no so.
Okay. Enti ene mo start adwuma ene a
ene ye meeting because no alajo na yensaka communicate no say ene 1 o'clock apparently na yekushia no ye bobu nsam and meka say bibia koyi because especially no we had to make sure say clubs no sabe ka musika celebrate and kobaso bibaka say competition no so we had a lot of discussion, especially regarding how we'll hype the game, how we'll make sure say everybody will comply and all that. Though it was a meeting, America say it was just to familiarize ourselves and introduce ourselves, but we went ahead to
say you be say them can kind of competition no so now obi who say we were asking that we played football and gradually football is coming back to us, as we have always said, football people. For me, I think even though we didn't expect things would have gone this way, because by now, first year to be BA 2-3 months ago, but it's a call to duty, and we may. It's a new thing, and I'll share your preparations are, but I think we have to stand up to the task. While you be here, na mumoa na yashe kwa ebefaswa in future, if the game comes to us.
Okay, Kofi na me hwade ba ko say na say mo committee we no akoye say mo na mo ye PLB na won.
Because a PLB, I can't say yes or no, but yeah. Terms of reference, I say competition in because okay about PLB, the PLB is involved in so many things, fixtures, a whole lot of things. But this is the case. We have come in late to make sure that the competition comes on.
Okay, and then we share no more no. Me sure say who as a club person who nim say na clubs no, and I say format the ball league city. I was just explaining to the audience and say ebi ana obi nti football ase akwai say a table and as a chair with 4 legs. Say ba ku ni ho a ebi ebetia gina ho de but anwode no ofema ya na ehojo ehun clubs bia te say wow stars abi sabri na say ehun ownership ne papa so mbesi akan na so munsi akan na amafo ehde ehun ehun ni wadu bia say am president so ka say unsi akan san je nyina so beda amopono so
beda ayepono so na was aye meeting na menu Abdusalam no mo de communicate ba say ombebo competition na sabi wiase no kwasi apenness sanadwe and moreover no if you are clear about something you have every right to change your mind. Fano wow stars issue no, I think say it is beyond us such that yeah mandate ni say ana yeah terms of reference say yeah be na manage competition inti omo efi this be my say yeah no money no mbebo. We don't have the powers to determine whether wow stars or who is playing or if there's a takeover. I know the Yejama, penny for Mekaya penny for itself to make that determination.
Okay, it's not say why all stars basis abredie yet mean count so mo kan ho na so mo kan ho.
As per ye fixtures no, wow stars kan.
As
per the fixtures are yeah currently no. Wow stars count.
Okay, because I was very much elated say me who re kujo fianu din wom o ega ka welfare body nti say okam committee no as a welfare body no dey na animanim ya no mo betimi aye in terms of welfare e dey aboa a club like Wow Stars na almost participation I full I was say dwumadie. I think that we'll get there at the appropriate time, but get fee near that no more flat rates pricing e dey ba very important because football without fans no supporters no na to sneak kakra mo ye ne flat rate betia boa ma fans na kwa o matime sen hu a sen na mo so makasa clubs na nje
won say na ye share as a committee na ye be hwe organize no some community dem say if you know ne clubs no edidi hu komoda that am o manyom ho tiase with how to price their tickets and whatever. Yeah, what we are doing, your mandate, say, you better share na competition. Now, of course, there will be lapses. Now, so the question now, you better say the bear. Say if football comes back to us, then I shall so formatty and I say lapses nema ebebano. You better try to news ha. This is sort of like Bibia de ashe. So I say you best for especially media no. I think this is where mobile because this is the first time. This thing has never happened before, and it happened because of say normalization. No, aba na for the past a month, ball na efi na yebe ball. We all have to support this initiative just to bring football back to our people, because fans will have the opportunity to go to the stadium. People will have the opportunity to sell us. We always did in the past. Okay.
As we speak now, clubs are here on Musaka Musika.
As a matter of fact, once a mekacho say ya shishe bibiana ye babe so far as I'm concerned, and in our meeting we made sure say monies will be paid to all the clubs before, which is we agreed. Because we agreed, the catch and say each club will have 20,000 Ghana to start with. Until the clubs should not, they shouldn't panic. Say, the monies will not come to them. I even made an example. Say, even FA Cup na bono, we give clubs assurance. Say, so long as they are playing the competition, Sikani ready, it will be given to them. But in this case, knowing where we are coming from, every club will take 20,000 Ghana. Now, after the first and second round, the extra 10,000 will be given out to all clubs.
Okay. And him say most a package being so the ama media say more monam for be more. Majeje your account near it. No so money on my way.
And I'm not aware of that.
Oh, okay.
Because it was your first meeting, so I won't be privy to everything. There were documents so why you go so I can kind maybe at a later time we can talk about it. Okay.
And the animal must want to say Zika Chama individual media sure say a obligation say to me but in terms of say ebi Alberto a time na yabo jingles commercials you raise billboards ne sanya manade and you need to pay for, but content ai na assume wa ntimi ni ntia mo chase kana yenuanom so all that places been so quite peeved because some say bia mo chase kana won kan anko e dia mancrophone nti na no so mahwe ne wo de watan bochire wonim se na bochire system sitie ne ebeti adapt na situ system no esewa wo committee su die na mo yesa adwuma na kama na abo ma ne metia kwemi committee no so no nya obia na experience in terms of organization of league ne competitions like this, but I think that wo kujo fiano die mo say mo de akirache enim se na ne ma esie koso Dr. Patrick Ofori so say ono so follow trend na check akra wo se na ne ma siko so mo maka ne de wo so kita experience on the grounds field ne so ono so betia sa de aboa me wo se na ne ma esie ko nti de me nya ha na dwi nyame adoma e be san pie mo second meeting e be san na wakasa bi why na be mo kasa mafo wa na
I have for to me kasa Mr. Kujo Fiano so etumi kasafa yejumedia yedi your chairman or sekufo so say emrewo mu a because ejuma na yi na ye share that to be say he is the only person that can speak
okay.
Except say question be honest will be salament me and then probably I have to refer to the chairman.
Okay. And I catch him say Juma na aba momfo bi hutumu ka na yesa omudi nchechemu time sa aba no mutimi edisa nchechemu ni time ba na ehu se na niam ebesi akọ e won hyehyɛ amugusu dim ye bede wase nyame adoma at appropriate time no ye besa na wakasa biu.
Yes, wase.
Okay. Enti ni aba no Kofi Poku Alewa ana ne committee ni din da so tafa no ani ne wa haze nipa hyebre assistant tempa so yenkwa ama no ni tokuru na ye. Okay, it's Michael. Yeah, Majo. If you come here, ngodo bia kama. Na preparation kama ni enkwe. Amano ni tokrum. Amano ni tokrum. Ra tokronim ana sa wo se tokronim a fansam ni pie.
Me win that to be beba. Prof story. Unse anopana ye breaking the news say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer anya the permanent job at Manchester United. Na uhwe interviews wa granting na one press conference, but or the inside and said the in-house media of Manchester United, all the interviews are circulating in the news media. Now, was signing a 3-year contract. Now, the first contract I did my manager after say Alex Ferguson was 6 years contract to David Moyes. 10 months into the 6-year contract on Manchester United affiliate into Yasakino 10 months, just 10 months into Usher subsequent managers after David Moyes or time and I say Manchester United time just 3 years for them to prove themselves before a very renewable contract into there Oligona Social up Bonumode in the and I say in the few months I will take over Manchester United in the money 3 years now Usher Sika OG as the basic salary 7 million a year. Now, Usha Mourinho, the salary ROG before was 18 million a year. But you can argue, say, Mourinho, the name already, and I saw didn't that. Into OG 18 million. And yeah, but for Oligona Social or a new manager, and I up and coming manager who is just coming into the scene, into 7 million, we can say a year. Now, after say, or signing the contract, no, one major and I say one ambition, already two, the in-house media, Manchester United, and him say, or Besoji title, no. Now, Usha Manchester United, the last time when we win the title was in 2013. Into Obeso breaking that 6 years gap, and I said 6 years jinx Manchester United NG Cup. No, now Usha the interview or granting Manchester United for media. No, or say, Nyama why at the time I came a caretaker manager no on sir, but you still be the same Ole. Now, I can't quote to be see. I just want to be the best Ole. In the 3 years I don't know. He wants to be the best coach in the 3 years I don't know. Send a bear I let him contract and I said extending the contract. Now here wa the backroom staff dada. We Michael Carrick, a former player of Manchester United, West Ham and Tottenham Hotspur. Kieran McKenna honestly is part of the backroom staff. Now Kieran McKenna honestly a fan as a developmental coach from Spurs to Manchester United. Now you're promoting under Jose Mourinho into the first team of Man U. Emilio Alvarez and I say Emilio Alvarez only your goalkeeper coach. Manchester United, McPherson, the veteran McPherson, Oweki and Juma and Alex Ferguson is also part of the backroom staff under Oligona Solskjaer. Now, next story about Antonio Griezmann. We're granting an interview to Mundo Deportivo. Mundo Deportivo, media in Spain. Now, I can say, Opeso free Atletico Madrid because Champions League idea of Opeso is a target. So Opeso G. Now, Osha senior Atletico Madrid for Obobo Boy Kono and yet idea about Miaji. He wants to move on and as Opeso taking a pay cut. Send a way about joining Barca because last summer not Barca pen, but one call now signing a new deal. But this season, we share say Atletico club here only ambition to win something in the Champions League. But Opeso call Barcelona. Now, who share Barcelona for more attack? So I have a lot of criticisms. Now, Barca are looking to rebuild, and I say they are looking to find a new number 9 in place of Suarez. Into Usha na rumors Barca will pay Marcus Rashford, and the rumor about is will pay Antonio Griezmann. Now they are willing and ready to pay the 100 million release clause. No, into Uti say Antonio Griezmann, or and I say Uti say the rumor bill. A lot of story about Antoine Griezmann. It's because of this story, and I say it's because of the statement or granted to Mundo Deportivo. Now, my third story about Tottenham Hotspur. Now, and I say I can't on a monitor club say Tottenham Hotspur after the season on the first home match. I remember in this after the international break. No, home the new Tottenham and I say the new Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. Now, we say edgy Wembley Stadium, and I say the National Stadium Wembley. And I'm mobile on Premier League matches. But after so museum stadium Omudi Crystal Palace remember the first match. Some match on a Wednesday, which is 3rd of April. Wednesday no some match no. Now Omudi Crystal Palace remember London Derby. It's a game no a very very difficult game. Now we share and pictures every the new Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. We will say players like Eric Lamela and Christian Eriksen so we are training. Now within the training now we are 5 aside and I say select side the ball on the pitch just for them to get accustomed to the pitch. My next story about Mauricio Sarri, Chelsea 4 coach. That Usha or no introduce you Sarri ball into the English Premiership. But we say the first 10 matches that Obon on a perfect start. But after some poor run of results now, I'm not for sure say more criticizing Sarri. Now Frank Lampard, a legend of the team and the all-time goal scorer of Chelsea, had shown support for Mauricio Sarri. I say I want for Tinubu and I said they should have time and I said I'm going to take it time. Remember Mauricio Sarri, but he can do the job. I bet me Chelsea Jumano because time Mauricio Sarri or Napoli or no Lampard or share any team no na on the effectiveness of the Sarri ball system. Inti almost supporting coach no omo the bread, but he can do the job for Chelsea. Now the next story here about the Premier League big six clubs. Because big six are Chelsea, City, Liverpool, Tottenham Hotspur, Manchester United, and Arsenal. If you are signing a media deal, and as a media deal, and yet media deal, I work England in Kwan, but almost signing overseas deal. Because overseas, I'm for a Musha Premier League in Asia, I'm for a Musha Premier League in Africa, I'm for a Musha Premier League in America. When you na Amuji, yes again na, and I say prices are, and I say 30 years TV, the amount I get your mom, a mom, no, Omuji is media writing na Omache. I'm a Premiership clubs no, but we share from 19 and as we share from the season of 2019 to 2022. If I say the big six clubs, a huge amount of the media right English teams than the rest of the clubs. Into the big six clubs, they'll take about £75 million of the media writer from overseas, more than the rest of the English Premiership. Into Prof, waiting about himself kakra. Maybe bye.
Okay. I still Asempa 94.7 FM. So I'm on it to room and I'm Michael Okai, the youngest researcher in town. And also editor of Musa and Yama AC Echo. But main can message Kakasa and Sedo de Mu Abamu and Afisia and so Hasia as in Kofobian so didn't come up but as a prof Tagos telling Black Stars played 2 games until now. We don't know how much the country got from the gate fee. Imagine this was the past administration. Anyway, welcome Ole. You deserve it. Now let's get the job done. And then Koma will be so Eddie Abba. Wale Sake also Eddie Abba Hanum. I'll say I'm Evans from Sapeman. I am Kotoko fan and I'm very happy that Sonny Yakubu is back. I greet all Kotoko fans and I also pray that this Sunday they will win their first match away. Listening to Asempa every day, but I don't get time to get comments on your issues and want to okay minimum opeso candidate was and kuma on so de banono but member mo rest na Mexico so prof good evening okuku seku onipa hu ye hu yesterday supporting Abdul Salam, today on the competition committee. Prof, you are the best among the rest. I'm K Asari Hamburg, Germany, and I also do we at me Abba. Also good evening Mr. Wallace. You and your panelists are very on top as far as sports journalism is concerned. Michael, Sedu and you are the overall campaigns. Rashid Ayola, sprinters, and also anyway Abija Ewahanum. Yanko Amanoso, na Firesan Yama ACL call Ewahanum. Na Yene new Edibiasin Hema, Nana Equia Jum, and Yanan Ebetrin Komono. And I am my Majo.
Yeah, medio papa, na mo to say.
Namiaduma, Yansu hu yenka kran krasa ane de waha ne se wadama ya frewi.
The obadias.
Okay. And me frewa ni nkitane mone wadama niwe di biase president Abdul Salam Yakubu a de ne club ebeja masase so no nanka competition ho nanka so mutime de pem so na asema na waka ne se omo isan se sisi bia koso pen wo omudwumadi a na omudi mu nanka omasa ba Premier League ni manesa ene koba se ene ye de league no eba na wie ene nti sa oyaw no wo ni mu anu nti na ompese obesi aka ni bi benya ne tie se ne onso do wano atum isan omanfo ana afi so kwa no ne yepa ni wadubiase e de abrebubu kono anye bia etesen
yo papa edamase ye dika metia etiefo nyina matia o mangana ni team benifo no ene sabi edibiase man nyina so metia wo ya wo kan de no kre besem nakakra ni ena metie se abudia ku se de o kan se leg no o mobile enti na menim de asi ko de maame so me frɛ no sanse tim no ya de eda makoma so me to no kane no na mani nye bɔ ho me obi a mani nye bɔ ho kra na so enam tim no okofa ba de break ro ni nti na maame ni je sanse tim no de ne de na emum edin no de okofa bread bi aseman nti ama wosese bibi kɔchewa me ma mani ko ho ti me frɛ ni bisa no no de nsɛm a wo mu nyinaa de bɔ me na sabi nsɛm a de ka edu ba bi ne na no de ne so sabi mpani sɛ pani due mante nti na ɛsɛ ɔno na mitu no fo sanse si ano ne wabɛyɛ de bi ase de hye broni ne ka so ye citizen e wadi bi ase enti se bibi ni a na se kwacho a e wo se me frɛ no na me so me ne ka nti mia na me de me ma no atum san se timfo no ebi ba me ho e mo mo ba be bo mama ne esa bro ade ekoni se ye papa wo se adwumadie ni ye ntumi nkobiem nti esofo anu tumaye ampa me so me frɛ no ne ni nuanom panifo bi no mo kasai e kasa kyerɛ na fe kasa ne kwawie no nyame ncha de oji tum se abro odo anu be mu dia mentumi entwe anu ngofom enti se bibi ta na mote ya nokore mia na mede ma no atum na wate mafi
okay nti na se chopper ana mo de koja no se ompene na omebo
ta na tie
okay me sure say uni makade enso e kan ho ni a wasan peni we zika de mom ya ehwe asa no manum ana nei omode ba besi sa kensie support bi be fi kromo aba because apart from say osi ombo no wasan complaining of say ohwe eye edibiase hye so na ase kwan amafo hwe so hwe match no ase ya na sika hye dan fi mu ma tina sentem say osan de waso eto fema abun say wo mo kwase mfosu eye say omode akensie no ekokko eno so kwa na nka enim say eno so mo betiem na mahwe kwan betia fa so abo atin ba ni nyina no ase eno so ya ntem nka ewo ho mo timpo bi e de matim na ne ya wapene say obesi akan no
timpo de me wo bebre e de ma no em say na omo ekọ bekwai ena nekobobo no sanse na ye nse da ni park bi eso wa ha eno titru na mede ho asam to sabre no mampani mahama abreso mede dan no se na daroma ko ma me stadium wa ha emfa ma me sanse NDC no ahodu biase na hodu NDC seat na 24 good years enti si enye bibi anyina so na amfa ma ye na se si bia party me kwa na se ni ho bi wa edien na ye de benya agina so nti obi sa me de me pe no me ka kire ne se me pe so oba be stadium e de ma me tim no na ma omo so atumi afi baabi atumi abobo na so omo wo fie di a sabi obi akọ nkotoje ni moko obo mpaye ma wo mo e na sabi na nanom so yi afaya yi bi ma wo mo nti no nka me pe se omo be wo fie papa no so omampani dada etie mi ema oba be ye obaji tum so oba stadium no obetoto ho niama bebre didu baabi anche na aban no esan free so a se aka ho no ma ye hwe kwan se me de ho asem akwakwada ampani nana akufuado makọ ho be several time me ne mempanifo me ne medc me ne me mp makọ ho bebre na omo kire me se na sabre no na eninkrata asem bi emo efei na mabebo na mani omo hwe process bi omo de be famu na o maba be stadium na mamiti eno na mehwe kwan
okay nti wadama ukoye no mampanyi de no ka kira because na niji agudi hu pa se na onso wani abeje hu sese de no kan obe ne ntempai so ana se unyanya response cry
if I say
na me bisa se wadama uko ne umpanyifo bi etutu mu chacha akopie mu Ghana mampanyi ene ne mpanyifo atan no de no mo kan e de fa san hihye hu omo ba na animanim ya na se omunya ma omu ay krampo ye
omu ka kire me se mu na me de me ko de to so me ensa no me bom mampanyi of Minister of Youth and Sports ma ne bae ma ye de ni ye de nsam ni nyina to de nim na de omu ka kire me ne se stadium no ko mo ba be ye di amame keke ntinam se president awatwa mu no wanye hu ntutie bia amfa enkrata asemu enti wosremi amema ne bre na mo famfa enkrata asemu no mo ntumi mama ye mama nti amame kwa me bisa ne se mi se me hu se si amobae mu ye stadium ni bi di ho mu ye bi nso wo baabi e wa santemem ha na ade a ye fi ase a ya ye du baabi na ne mo ko ha se kwa de adanti na ne mo mehwe me stadium no maye esanse bi asisi ya mo kra magye nka wasa mo gina enokra so etimi de be stadium no mo de mame na enokra nso se nkuran as se samanye stadium na mame a de mrantie ebotaye no ede ebiem na mo ba mo betumi di aka se esan beto aba nti no omunyina so fa nto aba mo nti mesre no omwa me na de okate me an se minya botre obeye bibia amane na so odefa eziseye mu nti omo ense dan kan kire me se ebi afi wei ana bosumi wei ana se yense da ansa me nti be last week last week sorry me call your friend say Accra Ekokoshia Minister of Agric and also men some commodity na me sade to na nim say asema say media to man pani anim bi so akodu Minister of Youth and Sports no so ahwe ni mu amente we ntina daroma omwa me na timu no ehu hia me esanse timu no na ama timu na ama kuro no edin akosoro ntinesra na onhwe no mma me stadium no mame na me mantie ni nsu nya baabi mo na obia ofia sabi eni amako yiye de ma no ntina na mo amatumi nsam omo nso akasere no.
Okay. We de wadama adubia se mabunu no adwuma ben pa na omo ye.
Adubia se mabunu ankasa wo ha no. Enye school no bi be kwa obetumi akira de anaso obi be ye bibia. Me said ni adwuma bi wo krom ha mabunu ne ye. Na nsan mu na emse omo fa emantie ni bi ese omo mkoi ewo forestry. So munko duedua nnua no mo nese nnua ne ade a omo fa bi nso de agum adwuma pote pa se adwuma we wa ha ye de ebi ne ya na ha no aye koko season no se koko na nkasa na tete mpanifo no edua enti mi didi se so bi ye fua na oba de a obepese ne ba beboa no oko school nyina no obefia obeba beboa ku adwuma enti adwuma pote sa mantie wo ye de senye school no wako na bi o tira de anasa oye okọ nursing anasa oye bi a ye friend say adwuma bi titi na bibi sa enyuma nkete adwuma o ma betumi aye de e o personal work de e obi a wako school a ono awo enya na adwuma apart from that ye ni adwuma bi a wo ha
tina say mo kokko de na say mo contribute to country's GDP no, but in terms of infrastructure there as ye mo totwene kakra.
Me fa chawo say
me say na me say wadama we dey answer mo kokko ni de na say mo contribute towards the country's GDP. Now so as in terms of infrastructure there as ye mo totwene kakra. Oh, areho. Du bi asia sema areho.
Nsio na ma mense na papa.
Okay.
No, wadaroma. Dia me pesa metira ne say abudu yakubu no ne papa yesu sanyina no. Ne papa no nyina na omunso wa ha ye beto won enti o ma tie de watie de me nso me ka ni nyina aye me sta pepepe eno na me pese me ka.
Okay. Nana hima we de nana du biase hima e bede wase se ahobrase kwan so wage pene na oni atwetwe nkomo ete se waya ade dodo ye da se pa eni so se oni akasa.
Enso me da mase e ya na mada na se so ama me sese bi wanche manu anwofom na watie na waye ne sta pepepe. Ya minchira mu nyina.
Adubiase hima da se pa anso.
Bye.
Okay. It's no responsible queen mothers ni bi no. Na am say odin na ba. Sedu, ma me fa kwenye ma na fe prapra 10 minutes na fe fa 10 so ma sia ni.
Okay, 10 ye me da se metima chembe me sakra me da se. Me sha se fi the ma me sha se fi queen mother no. Em say bebo na ba so for the intervention and Ranapa, I told lots and then Ranapa all this while I've told lots of people say Abdul Salam our case, and so far I mean to be our case only case and another yede. All that they do is to beg him, and he has proven say he's a brave young man, and I drove my heart for him for the mamene so ebona for the interventions awaye nyina ohwa say nipa be cry if say no do be as omo mbobo do be as you. People forget that the choir normal board doesn't end where the team originally comes from. And Yana you can say a Dubiasi Stadium, people don't know say it is because New Dubiasi as a football club will be one of the benefactors and as a beneficiaries. So I think some they also the Adamo way to just as she mentioned movement our interventions the previous government best at. You see, this is what we talk about governance. People think that governance is about doing your own thing and making it a legacy. And to me, I don't want to venture too much into politics. But so we can say MPP for the Metro Mass Transit by NDC for by umbe twaso. Umbe guna and toy and that is governance. Obi ashe biaso obi abe twaso. Governance is not about saying by my media. me ba my buy me there and no my jazz say school or mugu school no because we ba was me the 4 years we ba was me the 3 years to show say my baby it's needless and useless from politicians, and this is we must come together and condemn it. She said your school has become virtually useless, but people don't know. And then because of the politicization of school education, school sports are good. Because and then say athlete also on your continuous friends for school sports no, and then or green class or not here for 80 something days. Or maybe the group or number running or also a yellow class. No, so it becomes so useless. I'm telling you. So I think that say a ministry no tia, any president no so tia. My main effort or and any the biase in business they call either to who have known you the biase. Sankanya footballer. And you what you crowd more because of football until the business or come here be a match days pay ye be a bia niska butum okodia till the next week another game beba. So I think the woman has been so influential in the discussions. Yes, very responsible. Remember be kokan ekra me hu ha o mo kan nti abusalam nti Mampeni bemu aweti. It means Mampeni has done something for him in the past. Osha nyamami yebo amidie maintain na asemeba. And finally we've gotten somebody say woman makes a home and a woman makes a home. So this woman has made a home to bring Edubiasi, because you see for nothing at all Edubiasi's exclusion from the game would have made the because every week one team bet nefi so Wambobia and Kasazo every week Kawabako bet nefi Ombobi. Do you know the effect of it in terms of football, in terms of the technicalities of the game? So the effort to get the club to come and play, to participate and be even so participating kekepo, it's enough. You understand? So you better of your heart for the woman. Then for the Biasi man, MC Nyamra Boka Kwasiano. Now you're born about year. Yes, very influential. I think she's done well. Then I'll look at the committee. Message say committee, I will personalize it. I have two issues. One, Omuyi spokesperson. Mitieti no kwa me nya prebate me hu say now producer of Freeway or Freeway Omunya spokesperson. Enya afuna be for sec for so Freeway kudofiano. They should give us a sponsor because competition in some be ba ho. Already in some be so be san ba ho. So they should give us a spokesperson. You say one year for a friend one for him say you have what job adwuma. You can tell us say the chairman can talk. Nobody, no. They should have a communication department headed by somebody who will be responsible for answering queries at all times. And you have no the chairman can talk or info can talk. No. In proper corporate governance, you want your casamafo. So committee no mu yi kasamafo. You yana your friend, you pasema say by mail like best man say by text say by WhatsApp best na manipa. We can't be going around so free force you frying for your friends say kudu. We can't be doing, producers cannot be doing that. They should, as a matter of urgency, announce somebody to speak on their behalf before Nyamiad much do. Then my head the composition of the committee. Mr. Enesco for me in film. Yes, I'm in film. Yes, I'm saying so because my composition now will be no directly involved in the running or management of any club. So they should be consistent. Mr. Enesco is the director for Unistar Academy. They are part of the league. They play in I think zone 2. You're in situation. You see, when you are normalizing, you must be serious with everything and you must be consistent. So in being consistent, where the composition of the membership now, Nipa 10, Mr. Enesco 4 penna or running club, direct or running club. So they should take him out and replace him with somebody so that we will know, say, in the previous PLB now, a year man by members of the football clubs now, see, we have independent, and if you want to start an independent process, how best can we start than this opportunity, Abba? So at a matter of urgency, Mr. Enesco it's not about any personal stuff. I don't know him as far as his academy is concerned. He's done well. Okay, he's single-handedly. But for his affiliation to the Unity Star Academy, which is also a beneficiary
or which will be a beneficiary of the league. No more independent. You say the board or the committee is solely made up of independent people who do not have direct relationship with any of the football clubs. We must start by this way, because we have even heard of a discussion where they say the FA president must not own club. So if the normalization committee wants to start on a clean note, this is the best opportunity for them to start. Omuyim Sakufon film no fa obia onya affiliated to any club MSM, because we membership now or Sakufo oni club bia Kudofia no oni club bia Kofi Poko oni club bia Ogesan for ni club bia Valencia club or area Mba League no so nka competition ho, so she can be there. Sena Kotoampa or Yedmo or GFA staff obetima ho Kennedy Boachiansa or media practitioner obetima ho Pami Sinus Kufo is the director for Unistar Academy, which is a member of the Division 1 League that plays in Zone 2 of the Ghana Division 1 League. And for the purpose of this competition, they are competing. They are a participant. His decision can change things. If the committee members, Mr. Kofi or a member of this team, he should table this petition. Other than that, we will take that initiative. Mr. Neskufo must be out. Let's have an independent normalization special committee and see how they will perform and see how they will take decisions. So I beg them, for now, I am appealing to them that they should take Mr. Neskufo out of the committee and bring or add another independent person who has no direct affiliation to the competition.
Okay.
But then, quick one, Monday may share process be as me who say I started the results. Me say me for abaso.
That's right.
So me be George Kwesi free abaso. Today I've heard some quotes that has been attributed to him, challenging the job of the normalization committee. And I've said, members of the football association must rise and ask questions. And there will be some question relating to one of the fundamental stuff that FIFA is requiring, non-discrimination. Normalization committee is discriminating in terms of refereeing, in terms of how they are going to reimburse referees. It amounts to discrimination, which is captured in Article 15 of the FIFA regulation and FIFA statutes. FIFA can ensure that your statutes and conforms with Article 15. One of the fundamental stuffs that FIFA in Article 15 is non-discrimination. And that is also captured in the GFA statutes.
And one of the most important things I hear reforms in FIFA for trigger reform non-discrimination. And to me say male referees, and they mentioned that female referees are discrimination. You are discrimination against gender, a gender imbalance. You can only say we are paying referees according to classes. If they are FIFA referees, everyone will say class 1 referees, we already say class 2 referees, and they know. But to say female referees, gender discrimination comes there. And I've heard Georgia Free quotes attributed to him. So we are saying that we must get key stakeholders of the football association to challenge the work of the normalization committee. And like I mentioned last Monday, we want to see men who are courageous. Could your friend Fianu or say Palmer, Ketokreku, Fredo Papu, they should rise, they should tell us what they see about the work of the normalization committee. Say if they are satisfied, they should let the public know. If they are dissatisfied, whichever area they are not. Today, Georgia Free has mentioned at least one in terms of how the referees are going to be reimbursed. Because ultimately, the referee about Sunyani Equata Kradia, Yajin 50 Ghana, now referee Bema Kumasi Kota Kradia, Sunyani Kota Kradia, Yajin 1,000. Omo na kwa job the same fare. Some ko that hotel ya job the same fare. Yanka so wo your banti hotel yanju kase. Ya job the same. So why do you discriminate in terms of payment? The Normalization committee must come again. And like I mentioned, we want to see members or a key stakeholder of the football association coming out to because some of us when we talk, they say we are not stakeholders. Today Georgia Free or a club owner or aspire to be president of the GFA. Wabekasa. Let's see how the normalization committee reacts. And I want to say none of the football people should in the name of they want to have good names in the books of the normalization committee should victimize judge. They should also tell us their opinion on the job of the normalization committee. It is not a time to challenge judge or to attack judge. If you have an opinion, attack the issues that he has raised. Whether you agree or not to say my referees, my the same with Mema, but you want opinion from key stakeholders, and I've mentioned their names.
because in Ghana tomorrow people will start coming to attack him. If you have any attack the issues he's mentioned. Let's know your opinion, because you are key or you are opinion leaders. The people I mentioned, President Nedi. So your opinion leaders. Let's have your opinion on the job of the organization committee. George has rated them 30%. Or say as far as he's concerned, he's rating them 30%. The rest of the key stakeholders should come and tell us how they were. At least we know say the first man, the 6 months that come, we can have a proper assessment of their job. So Mr. Tax producers, it's not my job, but I'm taxing them. Let's call them and see your Kasa. These people, your mom so may have president no, and now 28, and my date correct. And now 28, I got 3 days, or 29, 30 and 31st, a weekend. Juma Organ into a chance we can assess the organization committee as for their first mandate, which ends let's say tomorrow, because their mandate ends tomorrow, which is the last working day of the month. Saturday and Sunday in Kaho. The producers or channel line these people up. George Free, Ose Palmer, Randy Abbey, Fred Papu, Keto Kreku, Kudefianu, Nane Amponsa. Line them up. Let them give you their opinion. We put it on there because they fear that they will be victimized. Nobody can victimize anybody in this country. Obia to be victimized, Obia Kawage. So the people we are flying, I'm sure the producers are listening. They are taking note of the names I've mentioned. Call them tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be here. So then unless we maybe by the price message you want to postpone it, but we have to stick to them on this show. They must tell us their opinion on what they have seen about the normalization committee. No so on kasano ya beba come back or say a friend papa we so on my after the 6 months of normalization committee also on kasa because osro say okasa you be victimized during the election. Nobody will victimize anybody. No ni akukudu only akukudu ultimately as a president or my only akukudu as a president maka only be, and I said this on Monday, and I'm very glad that George spoke today.
Okay.
I've not heard the voice, but I've seen quotes which have been attributed to him. Sanya come say by Kobeba out. So 53 o'clock I'm new quotes. Now on my issue with join I'm sure that they are his quotes.
I think he also triggered the processor and I'm suma near the BSC accepted say
correct. So if that I don't have that but if that I trust your statement. So these are so where is the Gaka chairman? Or where is Gaka? I'm saying 10 minutes near Asunti. Say omre. But say omre.
Another time.
No problem.
See, I'm here boko there.
Nyamia dumale boko.
No, I'm not come be what you may, but and then see my last day. New arrangement now. Me anka sama shisha dia me ho no. That's right. We say she be aji Sunday. I've got chance to get am saying Papa Maestro. I will take you over. I say bia you continuity process no na but that be come on boko because enema mienu bia mede mani ehuna etia Black Stars Cup of Nation yentimi mo enema mienu ana de wani ehu yes me ka ba ko ne sa ho me ka ba ko okay ka ba ko emre sem no yenya etam ne besan de ba ko na to so ba ko di ba ko a mede ma wo mo ye na no me ko stadium me ko hu se technical team ni nyina na yusu grape cara ash and in popular and nimpa Askala yes team na ya omo yini no okay take team no so omo betie me pa they should change that color Askala no yes because color sa color ni ndinkunim okay obi oisu color ni obi a na wira ho obi a bibie siwo na brabomu na wira ho na bamabuo sa color na sa na kire okay and omo pa omo ko omo chi nko countries are a winning glories and sure omo colors are omo yusu so ufa asha Bible no askala no yo quotation be 200 Bible me ni nyina kire Daniel chapter 2 o kan Daniel chapter 2 verse 2 ubehu Daniel chapter 9 verse 2 ni nyina ubehu ni nyina Esther ahemfo ba wiase David mu nyina na be yeye bi say omo situation bi anase BBC ewo omo abrabo mu na omo ko wura hu yeye mu a omo isu sa kala na ashes no na omo de agu omo ho e de kire say omo dinkugu omo nya obia nti hwe ukenkan Bible all the prophets Ezekiel
you should be even Esther Tama Yakobo Esther man yes akwabi e friend Haman say obe say Israel man ni no okay Esther the book of Esther na chapter 3 chapter 4 ni nyina no o say omodenso odenso ena di gu no na senso no e kire say wadi nkugo na brabum ni ma say o a ye ni wianye even cry na ye ya brabum kura say wura bank so okoje busia o de sa kala no ko bank for no fiscal ne ma bank uko bank na o she ebia askala no na o de koso okopa busia o de opa go and see bank for no fiscal ne ma o mu ya na ye o ma dwin se okura no sika no untimi entua inti se o mutiemi a sakala na akosi apia ne squad no ne Steven apia mu na no mehu ye no e kire me se o mu nyenkunimdifo
se asia no mo share am de wini one day no Sunday ball 3 na
Debbie as soon as I will match back, you are going for a tournament. A chile bibi, who compare Nkunimo Butre. Omupa, Omudia, to master and country. No mere countries are winning glories, no much colors or usually go. Okay. I could see up here. Me challenge I made to the afternoon. Babu quotations in Mamma Biromupa, Kenkai, Daniel chapter 2, Daniel chapter 9. I mean, I do my best to ask Kalan so. Yeah, best to ask the second game, so that's right. Time no call. That's right. It's Inya, actually, for Manana, that's right. With Kanaka issues. That's right. Every time no could anymore. When they just in Bibri, it's a emergency. But Martin number is 020-722-9946 020-722-9946 with the own TV say about Sakala Yamaka was me. We have your quotations be bram de be mount Nicola and it's the chile. Ye can't Saskala na. A chile ubi a wedding kugu, ubi a unim kunim, ubi a name be a sale on a brabum, and yadi papa.
Okay, it's the zero the moon for be boa baso papa say issues are reason no e ade ba kwa betia bo magana football team say 2 point e ade nhira ne nkoma omode ba omode bibiri na aba wa hanom abochefo nso mo cha me sure say nyame adom na say bibi to mo bibi mu a om so de bibi to bibi it's the best I ready ono so e de critical issues no etiansa ba me din de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch ba ko pe e ade ntinani ma onye okese nyife bi ni da soni na onfa nko ba bi ni da so Barry United States of America Atlanta na me adoma sidu de muba mana betown chain inti Barry Murphy fantastic evening and come out and I feel so Carmen Williams Madi na also fantastic evenings and come out. Okay,
happy birthday to Fitz-Donald Brian Hengman.
Okay,
madam for
somebody didn't view
Fitz-Donald Brian Hengman, happy birthday.
Okay, inti Elisia na ya ko na je bra papa why